What if celebrating someone else's success could unlock your next breakthrough? In today's Thrive in 5, I'm sharing how learning to cheer for others without comparison helps you grow faster, feel lighter, and build a success driven mindset that lasts. You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough credit in the growth space: celebrating others' successes. When someone in your circle hits a milestone, launches something big, shares a win, hits a revenue goal, it's easy for your brain to slip into the comparison trap. You start to think, that should be me. But what if instead of feeling behind, you use that moment as fuel? Here's why learning to genuinely celebrate others is one of the most powerful growth habits you can build, and how to do it without getting lost in comparison. So let's dive in. First, we are going to shift your mindset from competition to possibility. When you see someone succeed, that's proof it can be done. Someone just showed you what's possible. Instead of letting it trigger jealousy, try thinking, she's showing me what's available to me too. Growth is not a limited resource. There's room at the top for all of us, and someone else's win is not your loss. Let their win expand your vision. Success leaves clues. Ask yourself, what can I learn from her approach? Did she stay consistent? Did she take a bold step that you've been avoiding? Use her momentum as a mirror for where you're being called to grow. Then celebrate loudly and genuinely. This isn't just about being a nice person. It's all about training your brain to associate success with inspiration, not insecurity. Send the DM, leave a comment, tell her that you're proud. Your energy comes back to you, and you create space for your wins to be celebrated too. When you practice cheering for others, you free yourself from scarcity thinking. You shift from what if I'm not enough to what if I'm next. And that, friend, is a mindset that magnetizes success. So to recap, if you want to implement this today, think of one person in your world who recently hit a milestone. Send them a message or comment to celebrate them. Write down one thing in their success that is showing you what you're capable of too. Then I want you to practice the mantra, her win is proof that I am on the right path. You grow faster when you cheer louder. Keep your eyes on your lane, but clap for the ones ahead of you because they are showing you what's possible. And remember, you've got this. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving, and remember, you've got this.